Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your math class for grade 4 from Pakistan International School, Taif. Last time we did equivalent fraction, and inshallah today we will learn about more about equivalent fraction. Today your page number is 63. On page number 63, you have write the equivalent fraction that match the diagram. Look at that diagram. How many parts this diagram has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to write total parts 12. Okay, if I color 8 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mean 8 parts colored. Now you see that this is equivalent of this one if we divide by 2, and also this one divide by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. So here we color 4 parts. Total parts are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will color 4 parts. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay? If we divide this one, 3 4s are 12, and here I color 2 parts. 2 parts color and total are 3 parts. Okay? In book, you have question number 1. You have the diagrams on your book, and you will see and count the total parts, and then you have to count colored parts. In question 1, part A, there are 8 total parts and 4 colored. And then in next diagram you have 2 colored parts and total 4. And in third diagram you have 1 colored part and total 2. Same in B, you have 4 colored parts and total are 8. And then next one 2 colored and total are 4. And in third one is colored and total parts are 2. Sorry, I did this. This is A. Part B is total parts are 16 and colored are 12. And in second diagram 6 are colored and total parts are 8. And in next one 3 parts are colored and total 4. Okay? In C there are 20 parts you can count and 4 are colored. Okay? And the next one 2 are colored and total are 10. And next one is colored and total are 5 parts. Okay, dear students, you will write these answers on your book. Next, question number 2 is complete these equivalent fraction. Question 2, part A. see that this is 16 is equal to 4. Which table goes? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4 are 16. Mean table of 4 in 16. So you will check this also, table of 4 in 20. So 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. The answer will be 5. In B, you have 9 over unknown value and then 3 over 8. Here you will check that this is 3 1s are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Mean we read table of 3 up to 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. And here you will read table of 8 3 times. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. This is the answer. In C, 27 over 30 is equal to 9 over what? Here you will see that table of 9 in 27, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 3 times. You will also see this one. So 9 3s are 27. Table of 3. And here you will see table of 3 in 30. 10 3s are 30. 10. And in D, 15 over 50 is equal to 10 over 1. So here we will find this one. You will see this 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. Table of 5. Table of 5 is here 15. 5 3s are 15. This is your answer. I did 4 parts A, B, C, D and 4 parts E, F, G, H are your homework. Okay? Next, question number 3 is, for each fraction given below, how many equivalent fractions can you make by dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same factor? So when we divide the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number except 0, we get an equivalent fraction. Okay? In question number 3, part A, 16 over 20. We have divided this numerator and this denominator with same number. This is 16 and this is 20. We can divide both with 2. Okay? 16 divided by 2 and 20 divided by 2. When 16 divided by 2, it will be 8. And when 20 divided by 2, it will be 10. Here you consider this is 8 and this is 10, and we can divide more. So divide by 2 again. 8 divided by 2 will be 4 and 10 divided by 2 will be 5, and this is 4 over 5, and we cannot divide furthermore. B, 24 over 32. 24 over 32. You see that this is 24 and this is 32, and we can divide these both numbers by 2. 24 divided by 2 will be 12. 32 divided by 2 will be 16. Okay? Here you can see that this is 12, this is 16. We can divide more with 2. 12 divided by 2 will be 6. And 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Here we can divide with 2. This is 6, this is 8. Divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 will be 3. And 8 divided by 2 will be and 4. This is 3 by 4 and we cannot divide more. Next one, C. 30 divided by 50. So this is 30, this is 50. You can divide by 2. 30 divided by 2 will be 15. And 50 divided by 2 will be 25. Okay. Next we will divide. This is 15 and this is 25. We cannot divide with 2. We cannot divide by 3. We'll see divide by 5. Okay. 15 divided by 5 will be 3 and 25 divided by 5 will be 5. Okay, this is the answer. We cannot divide more. And this question you can do like this also. 30 divided by 50. You can cancel 0 with 0. It will be 3 by 5. Okay, the answer will be same. So you have to put this method. D. 24 divided by 30. 24 divided by 30. 24 divided by 30, 24 over 30. So we'll see divide by 2. 24 divided by 2 will be 12. 30 divided by 2 will be 15. Here we can divide 12 by 2, but we cannot divide by 15 by 2. So we'll see table of 3. We can divide by 3. Table of 3 goes on both numbers. 12 divided by 3 will be 4 and 15 divided by 3 will be 5. And here we cannot divide more by a number. E. 36 divided by 36 over 48. So you will check. Divide by 2. 36 divided by 2 will be 18 and 48 divided by 2 will be 24. You can divide more with 2. 9 and 24 divided by 2 will be 12. This is 9, this is 12. We can divide with 3. 3 will be 3, and 12 divided by 3 will be 4, and this is your answer. Okay, dear students, I did 5 parts, and you have 4 parts homework: F, G, H, and I. Okay, dear students. Your homework is page number 63, question number 2. I did 4 parts A, B, C, D, and you have 4 parts for your homework: E, F, G, and H. And in question number 3, I did 5 parts, and 4 parts you have homework: F, G, H, I. F, G, H, and I your homework. Question 2 you will do in your book, and question number 3 you will do in your notebook. Okay? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.